happy Saturday. So I took Sam to work today because he's on the opposite side of town and we need to go shopping afterwards at the outlets. So I came with him because I didn't feel like him coming home and going back and forth. It just didn't make any sense. So I'm going to spend my day doing all of the chores that he doesn't particularly enjoy going with me for those shopping. So we're going to go to Barnes & Noble and read a bit. I also have to pick up next month's book club book, Project Hail Mary. So I need to pick that up. I might start reading it, maybe read for like 30 minutes or so. And then I need to go to Home Goods, Ulta, and then I'm going to go to IKEA because we need to get ideas for our guest room and bathroom. And I just have none. So I figure if I go to IKEA, it will take me at least an hour to walk through there anyways, but it will also give me some good ideas on what we can do in our small space. So let's go. I desperately need to read this series. I've seen all the movies, I've just never actually read the books, so I should probably do that. But I need to get another book key, or whatever they're called, bookmark. Okay, Barnes & Noble was a success. It's so hot, I need water. I got Project Hail Mary. This is my next book club book. It looks very entertaining. Everybody said it's really funny, but also very intriguing. It is a tale of discovery, speculation, and survival to rival the Martian. So that should be good. And I've seen this everywhere. If you had TikTok, I don't use TikTok anymore, but this is the first book in the series and everybody said it's amazing. So I might as well try it. And I like to have like hard copies of books now and then, just because sometimes you don't want to read on your Kindle, you know? And I got these. Look how cute. They're little magnetic book marks. So next stop is over to Ulta to spend way too much money. Okay, so I found 2 candles that smell pretty good. My parents are coming to visit and I need to make my guest bathroom look a little nicer because it's the only one that's working right now. So I need to find a good white shower curtain that's washable that I can just keep for a long time. So that's what we're looking for now. I found this one, which it's not like super textured or anything, and it's pretty light, so I think it would work. But it's white, not ivory. That's the most important thing. All right, it's time to go to TJ Maxx. All I need is some skincare in here, so this should be a quick trip. I like the wood behind it. I want to do that in our house. I love a dark kitchen. This is probably what I would love to go to, but I think instead of the black, I would still stick with my blue color that we have now. I think we could add something like this on the wall in the bedroom to give it a little more depth. I like that a lot. Obviously, I like the dark colors too. This whole theme is nice. Our guest bedroom is very small, so I'm just trying to find stuff that will help with that. Alright, excuse me, balls. Our line. So all those things that I needed to get done last weekend didn't get done. So I'm gonna go to the thrift store and get some pots real quick, and then chiropractor and run to Publix to pick up the food I need to do some meal prep with. I can't explain to you how excited I am right now that I just found this at the thrift store. I saw this on Facebook Marketplace like 3 weeks ago, and I was so sad because I wasn't fast enough to get it and someone else had bought it. And this is literally the exact same vase that I was like, I want this so bad. I love this kind of like ornate style and I love the hand painting on it, but it was like 25 bucks. So I am very excited. I can put some plants in this and it can be an indoor. I'm just so excited. This will be an indoor pot for me.